got bullet? It's bullet, damn it! This is my UTG Warhawk AK74. It comes with the battery, the charger, the tactical sling, olive drab, the cleaning rod, the front sight adjustment, 2 magazines because I got the UTG package from Airsoft GI, which comes with 2 600 round magazines, adjustable hop up, rear sight adjustment, selector switch, full metal, which is full automatic or semi-automatic, a plastic buttstock, plastic handle grip, plastic front grip, full metal barrel, an orange tip which comes off like that, and the full metal body. Now let's talk about the magazine. It's a high cap 600 round AK74 magazine. Here's the latch where it holds all the BBs. Here's a little switch here that when you press back, all the BBs go flying out. The wind-up gear is on the bottom, so when you're in a fight, no more BBs, just wind it up, more BBs. But the bad thing is there's no hole for a winder key or anything, so that might be a little disadvantage. So I recommend using mid-cap mags if you're ever in an airsoft battle, because they don't shake around when you run, so the enemy won't know where you are, and that's about it. Just in case you're wondering, this is an 1800 mAh 8.4 battery that comes with the charger, and I charge it about 4 hours, just in case you're wondering. For those of you who charge it less or more, I get more kick out of the battery that way instead of charging it all day, which will damage your charger and your battery. The battery goes into the buttstock. You just pop that off. Take this, pop it in there, and take this, put this in here, and just pop that on. I forgot to mention this to you before, but the gun is about 350 FPS, and it has 900 rounds per minute, so it's really fast and really strong. Just to let you know, just in case you want to get this gun. It'll give details on the site. Just remember airsoftgi.com. There will be a link in the description box, and here you go. I'm gonna shoot it, and about 25 feet away